Okay, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is our ninth video in gender prediction tutorial series using machine learning. Just to put or just to remind you of what we learned in our previous tutorial. In our previous tutorial, we learned how to create a Flask project folder. We displayed the home page and the result page on the browser. So in this video, we are going to learn how to link Flask with static files. By definition, Flask static files are the files which do not change over the web page. Examples of static files in Flask is like images, CSS file, and a JavaScript. So that's the meaning. And the next step, or the last part of our video, is how can we link static files in a Flask. So let's open our files here, static files. First, let me close everything here in my Sublime editor. So let's open these files, open with Sublime. Let me increase the size so that you can see everything clear. Also, let me open results.html. So we are going to start editing index.html. So here on the top of your file, write bracket, then block content. I will tell you what the meaning of block content. And here, let me put end. Oops. What's happening? I need to put something like this. Okay. I need to put something like this. And block. Then let me copy this, paste it here, and block. So I'll tell you what the meaning of block content. So block content is just a bootstrap based content file. Yeah, it exists in bootstrap underscore base.html. This block content to contain basic bootstrap files. So if you need to add some more CSS codes or bootstrap codes in your page, you need to call this file, which is allocated in bootstrap underscore base.html. So here we are going to link our app with static files. So here put bracket like this, then URL underscore for bracket static, something like that, comma, file name is equal to single quote, then here single quote, normal bracket, then these brackets. After that, you can save. Let's save and see the changes on the browser. So let me click here. Yes, now you can see there is a change. Okay, let me copy this from here up to here. Let me copy this, and paste it here, something like this. Another static files, copy here, another copy here. Then after, we need to copy this and paste in, yes, paste here, Control S to save, then paste here, paste here, Control S. Then let's go to refresh our page and see what's happened. Now you can see we have successfully linked our Flask homepage with Bootstrap, with CSS and the Bootstrap. So let's also link our Lizard page with Bootstrap. So here is just an issue of copy. We have written, so paste here. Let me copy also here. Copy, paste here. Let me paste here. Yes. Let me copy. Let me copy this from single quotes file name up to here. Just copy. Copy, paste it here. Yes. Also paste it here. Yes. Also paste it here. Control S to save. Then let's copy this. Copy and paste in lizards.html. Paste here. Oh, this is Flask. Paste here. Now again, we need to paste it here. So that's it. Here we need to. Here there is a form. Here we need to specify an action to be taken. So let me add something here. URL for something like this. Then we put a bracket, single quote, predict something like this. After that, we need to put these brackets. So far we are done with our oops, there is, did you mean instead there is something URL for, there is something form action URL for predict methods. So just let's remove this and I will put it clear in our next video. So let me comment, let me remove this. I hope we'll specify the action in our next video. So let me refresh. So this is all about linking our Flask app with static files, and this is an end of our 9 video in machine learning gender prediction. So to put a short summary of what we have learned, we learned the meaning of static files, which are the files which do not change over a web page. Also we have learned how to link Bootstrap with static files. So thanks for watching. This is an end of our tutorial. Do not forget to like, put comment and subscribe for more video update. So in our next video we'll wind up our Flask app, whereby we will deal with this file, how we can load our model, receive user input and make a prediction. So do not miss our next video. Thanks for watching. This is an end and goodbye.